Hello and welcome to this yet another of my videos. I bought a couple of players recently, a couple of CD players, both Chinese, both very good, and both were supposedly in working condition. This is one of them, but sadly none of them are. Maybe it's just a bad luck of mine that I never get a player in working condition when I receive it. So this is what happens. I can press the thing there and will start now playing, but if I release it, this is what happens. So obviously something went horribly wrong and needs to be investigated, but I just don't have good luck. You know, I mean, if I go to next track, it goes to next track and plays alright. But if I let it go, it all goes up the creek. So there's something wrong there. Well, we'll see what happens. And thank you very much. I'll show you the other one is the valve player. It's also faulty. Some strange distortion, and haven't had the chance to open it up. But this is actually very good, very well made player. Huge power supply there with, you know, nice components, and both the Cirrus Logic DAC and the mechanism are only found on top players. I'll make another video once I find out what's going on here. The Signature edition with nice black and all balanced output. Well, thank you very much for now. Bye bye.